These are Govee Garden Lights, and they're not what most people think they are. Here at the 608, I already had spotlights, floodlights, and tree lights, but I still had dark spots. These were the final piece to bring it all together. These are downward firing accent lights. They're not spotlights. They're not floodlights. Think of these as finishing lights, not primary lighting. Each set puts out around 1100 lumens with high color accuracy. So your plants actually look like plants and not neon blobs. But here's the truth. These are not going to light your entire yard. If that's your goal, you bought the wrong product. So what are these good for? As I showed in my previous video, they're great for filling in the dark spaces of your garden beds, lighting the space between your main lights, adding depth so your yard does not look flat, and creating that layered look so your yard actually feels high-end. This is how you can go from, I have lights in my yard, to this looks professionally done. What are these not good for? They're not for lighting trees, not for general security, not for lighting large areas, and not for replacing floodlights. If you try to use these for any of those things, it's not going to work, and you'll just end up mad at Govee. And honestly, it's not their fault. So these are actually quite solid. You can change the orientation of the lamp heads, the height, and they're fully weather resistant for outdoor use. Install is simple. I showed in my previous video how to stake them into the ground. Then you have the wires that you're going to deal with. Where you put these matters more than how you install them. All right, let's check out the app. We see that it's on normal white right now. You can do just solid colors. So we have nice blue, purple, green. So all 16 million colors. You can even do subsections. So each arm could be a different color. And then the thing we love the most about Govee, they have all kinds of built-in scenes. So we have rainbow and rainbow B, which will do multiple colors on one arm rather than the other one, which is one color on one arm. We have a sunset, downpour. So it has most of the effects that any of the strip lights will have. Your house lights. There's a whole slew of festivals. So we got Christmas. Coming up is Mother's Day. So it's a nice purple and blue. We just had Easter. So as you can see, these are very vibrant. Then you have the full color spectrum in whites. There's AI. It's not the new AI robot, so it's still the older one, but it works decently well. Share space. If you don't want to create anything of your own, there is the scenes that everybody else creates. Finger sketch. So you can see on this, each bar has 5 independently controlled sections. So you could have 5 different colors on one arm. And then DIYs, again, finger sketch, and it has all kinds of built-in preset scenes that you can add your own colors to. But realistically, most of the time you're going to run these in a warm light. As I showed in my previous video, these lights don't stand out on their own, but your yard looks incomplete without them. And that's exactly the point. If you want to see exactly how I use these at the 608, with spotlights, floodlights, tree lights, and everything else working together, watch the Spring Refresh series.